Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna design a website in 10 minutes using Figma. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So here I have opened my Figma application. Let me just minimize it. Okay, let's just swap it to the right corner. So this is the image I downloaded from the internet here. Firstly, let's add frame here. You can choose this desktop or the Mac frame here. I will choose the desktop frame here. Just zoom out here and shift this window to the right part and just drag and drop the image which I have downloaded from the internet. This is the image I have downloaded. Okay, just cancel out this filters and just I will fit this image to the size of the frame so it will look more decent. Just fit it properly. We got this image fitting to the frame of this window. Zoom in. We got this image. So first of all, I'm going to make a rectangle here. For the navigation, just make a rectangle. Just join the edges properly. And just choose the color as, I'll choose the color as black. Cancel this. And let's just add some text here. Firstly, let's choose this color. Okay, let's just change the color to white. And so let's change the font size, which is, let's change it to 36. And let's write 1/5, which is the first page of all the 5 pages. So let's make it to the center. And let's press Ctrl Alt plus P. Okay, let's first open the plugins here. Go into plugins and select the font awesome icons. And let this open. We'll just scroll down. Just get this left and right arrow here. So swap this arrow. Okay, just select this arrow from this sidebar section and just drag it to the rectangular box here and paste it here. Make it as color as white. You can keep it white. Just keep the transparency to 100. And let's run the font awesome icon plugin again. Let's scroll down. So let's choose this left arrow here. Make it to the center. Just align them properly and change the color to white color. Cancel this and scroll down. Okay. That's fine now. They are looking properly aligned. So let's just insert some text here, which will be the main text of our web design. So let's make this stylish headphones. Alright. Okay. So let's change the font size here. Let's make it 64 and just swap it here. Fit them properly like beside the lips of the skull. And let's change the color of the headphones to that as, let's change the color to white. Cancel this. And let's just insert a rectangle here for a button. Make this like 257 into 74 or even keep this 297. It's fine. And just Ctrl C, Ctrl V and fit them properly. They should be properly aligned horizontally. So let's just change the color to black of this right button, complete black, that is hashtag 000. And let's just make this transparency to 0. Let's just make this transparent and let's add stroke to it. Let's just skip one stroke and let's change the pixels to 3. So we'll get a more broader border around our button. And let's change the color to white. This way, let's change the right button. Okay, let's make it black. I don't know how that's changed to white color. I changed it to white. I changed it to black color before. Alright. So let's add some text here, which is more details, and let's decrease the size of the font select all. Okay, let's copy this and just paste it here. Just shift this to the right button, select it. Okay, let's change the fonts here first. Select the font and change the color to white. Cancel this. Okay, it hasn't changed now. Let's select all and let's change the color. Now it should be white. We got this add to cart here, and let's shift this more details in center of the first button. It's fine, I think. Let's run this Font Awesome icon plugin again, and let's search for different fonts. Let's search for cart here. Open this and shift this to the right button. Change the color to white. Okay, and just align them properly. Just copied it and I'll paste it on the left top here, and just increase the size of this font. Also, you can add this stroke or the effects around it. Let's add stroke and make a border around our cart, so it will be more visible on this t-shirt or the shirt, whatever she is wearing. Let's open Font Awesome and search for, okay, wait a minute, and search for headphones. So let's select this right headphone here. Just shift it to the right top and change the color to white. Let's increase the size of this font. Okay, zoom in and just simply increase the font size. Okay, that's fine. And what we can do more is, we can just add some navbar text here on the right part of this header. Make it home and just make it medium. That's fine now. Just copy this and paste it for 3 more times. Shift them properly and make them horizontally aligned to all these headphones and the different navbar items. Okay, let's shift them to the left and this one to the right. Okay, let's change the text from the second, third and fourth navbar item. Let's make this products. This one should be, let's make this about, and let's keep the last one as contact. So it's fine, I think. Just align them properly. Just maintain proper equal distance between all the navbar items, so it will look more kind of professional. Here we got 72, 72. Can also keep the 72 too. Keep the 72 as well, and just maintain the distance between the navbar items and the navbar logo, that is the headphone logo here. It's completely fine. Let's change this to black color. I don't know why it turned to white color. I changed this to black color in the early part of this video. That's fine, I think. Let's open the Font Awesome here and search for, let's search for circle here. So click on this. We got the circle here. You can change the size of the circle too, according to web design or the size of the circle you want. Cancel this. Just change this to white color. Copy out this and paste it for one more time, and let's just change the transparency of it so it will be more lighter, because it is not the active window right now. So we wanted this to be lighter. So just copy out this and paste it for one more time below. Okay, just copy for 2 more times and paste it above the main window and paste it for one more time. Okay, so it's fine. 37, 37. Just align them properly, all the 5 should be aligned and have the same difference between all of them. It's fine, I think. It's taking me a lot of time doing this. Make sure to zoom in and do all this make this distance equal. Just make this color to black so it's kind of more visible in black color. And let's add some drop shadow here. Do same for this more details button, and drop shadows for this button too. Let's select this button, object text. Let's add this drop shadow. So we got this. Okay, yeah, we got this drop shadow now. Also, you can change the stylish headphones color to black according to your needs or whatever you like. So this is the final result we got. So this much is enough for this video. I will see you in the next video with more amazing content. Till then, bye bye, take care.